Hello everyone. Today we're going to make one of our favorite snacks called banana bread. My name is Inigo from Y4 and this is my sister.
My name is Izabela from FS2J.
So the materials we'll need, we're going to need a mixer, we're going to need a baking pan and a brush.
For later.
These are the dry ingredients over here and these are the wet ingredients we're going to use. I see what are the dry ingredients.
Flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, and salt.
Now, this is some egg, 2 eggs actually. This is a vanilla liquid. This is melted butter. And this is 2 large bananas that we're going to mash up later. Brown spots and red bananas are advisable also. So the first step we're going to do, we are going to heat up the oven to 180 Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit. So I just heated our oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Next, my sister is going to mix all the dry ingredients together.
I'm going to pour this one.
Now
I'm going to pour this one.
Now I'm going to mix. I'm going to mix my banana in this.
And I'm going to put this one. I'm putting this one.
So I'm currently mashing the banana. Now I'm going to, I think that's perfectly mashed. So now I'm going to put the 2 eggs in the bowl. Oh, there goes one. Now I'm going to use this fork to fix this.
Fix this one.
And now I'm continuing to mix my egg currently. And then after that, I'm going to put the egg in there with the vanilla liquid. You need one teaspoon, but since I have a half teaspoon over here, I'm going to have to put 2 droplets. And I'm going to also have to mix the butter in here same. I think this is good. So now I'm going to pour it in here very carefully. I see, continue your mixing. Now I need 2 teaspoons. Wait, I think I still have some more. Pour the rest of that in there. Now we're going to have to use the vanilla liquid you have and put 1 teaspoon exactly. 1 teaspoon, yeah, 1 teaspoon. But since this is a half teaspoon, I'm gonna have to do it true. So now I'm pouring there, 1 teaspoon. Then the 2nd teaspoon. Oh no. I messed it up. And that's fine. At least I had 1 teaspoon and I don't know how much it was. Anyway, now we're done with the teaspoon. Now I think we need to do the butter. Good. So now you're gonna pour the butter in here. I think this is perfect. Let me just check it with my spatula. First I need to put it somewhere. Fork. Now I see Jessie, continue mixing.
Okay.
Let me just check. Yep, I think it's ready to go in that bowl of the other side. Okay, I think this is ready. So now I'm gonna do it. Now let's mix it in. Oh, just be very, very careful not to spill it. Yep, and we have it. So now my sister is going to mix the rest of it.
It's so hard.
So now I'm going to use my brush for the rest of the butter. So I will put the rest of the melted butter in here so that the banana bread won't stick. Also, I'll use this so we can get it off easily. Alright? So that I'm going to put it. How am I going to put that? I'm just going to stick it because the rest of the butter it will stick here and then it will stick on the. I'm not sure if I can put this side. Okay, now I'm done painting that. Or should I say brushing that? So the purpose of this wax paper is that so it will we can when the banana bread is already stick, when it's already cooked, I mean, then we can remove it easily with this wax paper. Now we're almost finished. Now we're going to put all of our mixed ingredients into the baking pan. So my sister, she's going to spoon or put down all of the mixed ingredients in the pan while I'm holding the bowl just enough for her so that she can put it inside. And remember, use wax paper. Whoa. So now we almost have everything in the pan. Currently, I think we're nearly done. So we need to put this in the pan. I might have, I see, why don't you hold it? I'll just have it.
My brother's making the cake even.
And after I make this even, then I'm going to put it in the oven, which we told it should be on 180 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we're ready to put this in the oven, depending on your oven, from 20 to 25 minutes. We'll show you once this is baked perfectly. So now, after 25 minutes of a break, now our banana bread is ready. So my sister will now use the spatula to check if the banana bread is not sticking on the baking pan. I see. And remember, do it slowly. You might break the banana bread and that's what we don't want. Oh, okay, other side. Go. 1. Slowly. Side. Other side. Okay, wait. Side again. Here. I think maybe that's it. Okay. Now I'm going to flip it over and we're carefully going to flip it over once that is flipped. Ooh, it's here. Okay, so this is the underneath banana bread, and as you can see, it's not sticking. Carefully flip it over. And this is our banana bread. Thank you everyone for watching. We'll see you in our next baking video. Bye!